2020 Tour, an interactive experience. Traditionally, medical activities have been carried out verbally, providing a great volume of fragmented or incomplete information, and without offering direct experiences or any key performance indicator to users. On 2020 Tour, we transform this reality by honoring the company's vision, that is, by giving value through innovation. We are here to challenge the status quo with attractive, dynamic content that adds value to daily practices and facilitates continuous learning. Through an innovative proposal, we impacted several cities in Colombia with experimental and complementary content, and with more than 600 doctors in attendance. By introducing an innovative format that included high-level international expert panel, we were able to overcome geographic limits, reach more cities and impact more doctors. 6 interactive stations were defined, each with a different objective and methodology. Holospeaker, holographic talk by Bernard Zinman in Innovation and Optimization of Time from the lead order of the EMPA-REG Outcome Study. Mini talk, talk by Dr. Francisco Ampudia. Simple and concise explanation, focused on the Carmelina and Carolina studies. Organ mapping, talk by Dr. Fabiana Vasquez. Diabetes awareness, complications and prevention using 3D elements with a simple and didactic contribution. CV's safety studies timeline, interactively exchange the evidence, relevance, importance and difference of the CV's studies with the participants. Augmented reality, an interactive and dynamic way to introduce doctors to the world of our medicine. Jeopardy! We changed the methodology of a traditional talk through a game that helps us learn in a different way. 2020 Tour, a timeless interactive experience.